Hello and welcome to Financeable on this new video on how to log in into PowerTalk Finance account. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So first we need to open the web browser of its choice. After that, you just need to go up in the search bar of the web browser and you just have to type there PowerTalk Finance login, and you just have to press enter in the keyword when you have typed it, and the search result will be shown to you. And in the first search result there is PowerTalk Finance login. So you just have to click on the first search result and you will be inside the interface of PowerTalk. So this is the interface that is shown to you when you have clicked the search result. Now you just need to enter your customer number or email address and your password. And if you haven't registered yet, then you can just click on the not register button that is right there, and you will be able to register. And when you have registered successfully by following every instruction provided to you by PowerTalk, then they will send you or redirect you back to this page. And if you have forgotten your customer ID, email address or password, here is the options how you can retrieve it. First is forgot your customer number. You can just click here and PowerTalk will help you to retrieve it. Forgotten your password, it will also help to retrieve your password. And when you have retrieved everything, then you can just enter the customer number, email address and password and click on the login button that is right here, and you will be able to log in successfully into PowerTalk Finance account. So this is how you can easily log in into PowerTalk Finance account. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.